start off with, I lightly sponged this pearlescent white face paint on one side of my face. I then painted a black wiggly line down the centre, and then on the other side I painted a white line. I then painted one-stroke roses dotted around this side of my face. Using an angled brush and a black eyeshadow, I started to draw in the skull features around the eyes and cheekbones, and I also shaded in this side of my face to create this 3D effect. I added a few one-stroke leaves to some of the roses. I painted some double-dip flower petals and flowers to fill in some of the gaps. Painted around the edges of the eye and the cheekbones with a black face paint, and then I popped some red eyeshadow in the centre. I then started to create this peeled back face effect using a brown eyeshadow and a flat brush. I added white eyeshadow in between the brown lines, and this really makes it look like the skin's wrinkled back. Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend.